So I am so excited to finally tell you that we have launched our Pete and Pedro Dry Shampoo. We've been working on this for about 6 months, all right? Now, if you're like, yo, dry shampoo, what the heck is that? I'm gonna explain that in a second. Your mom, your girl, all women know about the amazing benefits of dry shampoo, but most dudes don't. So if you're somebody that doesn't wanna get in the shower or have time to shampoo their hair every day, but you don't wanna be oily or greasy and you've got hair product left over, guys, this product is going to be a lifesaver for you, all right? The way that it works is a little spritz, right, in your hair, all right? And what this is actually going to do is go in and actually soak up a lot of the oil, not to mention all of the old like hair product. And it's going to leave your hair incredibly clean, but it's also going to give you insane volume. And that's the thing that I love about this product. Crazy volume. Personally, I think every single one of you needs a dry shampoo in his arsenal. You know, if you can shampoo your hair, great. If you're running late, if you just don't want to and you don't want to be oily or greasy, but you still want incredible volume, gentlemen, this stuff is amazing. Grab the Pete and Pedro Dry Shampoo. This bad boy is a game changer.